Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back. My name's Cathy and this is Skint Living UK. I've been off shopping to Asda. Can't wait for the new Aldi to open up because I'm just fed up paying Asda prices. I went out with £20 today and spent £19.69. Sorry, that's a bit out of focus there. And this is what I got. I got 14 items and spent £19.69. So I got 2 packets of apples. They're on the offer, 2 for £3. I got some cheapy mushrooms. These are 84p. I got some cheapy garlic bread. I think it's handy rather than making chips or anything like that. And I can throw them in the air fryer or the oven. These are 36p. I got the chicken my son likes. I'm going to do noodles again, so I got the noodles as well. So the chicken was £4.57 and the noodles were £1.07, but that'll do them for 2 meals. I got a cheapy pizza that I can zhuzh up, glam up, pimp up, whatever way you want to phrase it. And that's why I got some mushrooms. I've got some tomatoes there as well, so I'll throw some garlic and a bit of extra cheese on top. So these pizzas are only 99p there. I've defrosted a pizza that I bought the other day. It was juice. I threw it in the freezer, and when I cooked it, it was just all bread and hardly any topping. It was like a smear. So it looked nice, but when you were eating it, all you could taste was the thick crust and none of the topping. It was really disappointing. So I thought to myself, right, I'm going to just go back and buy the cheapy pizza and glamour up myself, so that way I know I'm getting a reasonable amount of topping. Do you find pizzas these days are disappointing? I do. So that's why I like to throw like loads of olive oil and garlic and basil on it to give it some flavour and put my own toppings on. I got the dog some treats. These were 45p. I got the cat treats, which were 134. Bit of a disparity there, but there you go. My dog's hovering around because I think she knows there's treats lurking. I got some mini rolls. When my son was little, he used to call these cakey rolls, so the name sort of stuck. We all call them cakey rolls. These were on offer for £2.50. I'm trying to see them on my list. Let's see. Yeah, mini rolls, £2.50. I got some ski yogurt. I get these because they're high in protein. Where's the ski yogurt? £1.25. I got some reduced big bag of lettuce. I love me a bit of salad, and they were 66p and should have been 1.17. So I got this as well. Some chicken tikka, some curried chicken. This was 1.23. So I'm going to throw these now shortly in a big bowl, in a big pizza bowl with a load of salad, and I'll throw the chicken on, and I'll throw a blob of mayo, and I've got some tomatoes there, so I'll throw them in to make my own salad. And that means I don't have to cook. And my son's chicken and noodles are quick to cook up because it's just like, I really don't want the oven on. It's overcast today, but it's still warm, so it's just like, no, I don't want to even go there. And I got some blueberries. These are the cheapy ones because they do ones that are more expensive. I don't know the difference, they look the same to me. And these were 1.43. So let's just have a little recap. I got my son's chicken for £4.57. The noodles were £1.07, so I'll do a little stir fry for him. I got a pizza and mushrooms for me, so I'll do that tomorrow. What I tend to do is cut them in half and have half one day and half the next day. So it's just lovely to have with a bit of salad, so I'll finish off the salad tomorrow with my pizza. 2 bags of apples on the offer, 2 for £3. So you get 34p off. Got my doggy treats for 45p. Cat treats, Streamies 134. The skyr yoghurt, 1.25. The mini rolls, or keiki rolls as we call them, were £2.50 for 10. Garlic bread for 36, so they're great for just flinging in the air fryer, quick cook it up so the oven again's not on. My salad, that was reduced to 66. My chicken tikka, butty filler, sandwich filler was 1.23, and my blueberries were 1.43. So altogether I spent 19.70. So not too bad. I got meat, got lots of fruit, some toffee treats, yogurt for breakfast with me blueberries, treats for the pets. So yeah, overall I'm happy with that. Yeah, not too bad going. So please like, share and subscribe. Let me know if you've picked up any bargains or reduced items. I'm always interested to know what people do and what they buy. If it's any bit different from me, and what shops they go to too. So hope to see you soon, and please like, share and subscribe.